Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Red Dead Redemption on mobile for free. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to show you how you can play Red Dead Redemption on your mobile device without directly paying for the game using a legit method through Netflix. First of all, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once you're there, search for Red Dead Redemption. Now you might notice that the regular version of the game can be quite expensive, but here's the important part. Look for the version that is associated with Netflix. Netflix has been expanding into mobile gaming, and some games are included for free if you already have a subscription. Once you find the Netflix version, go ahead and install it. I already have downloaded it. After downloading, open the game. You'll now be asked to sign in with your Netflix account. Simply log in, select your profile, and create your in-game profile or handle. After that, you'll be able to access the game and start playing. It's that simple. The only requirement here is that you must have an active Netflix subscription. So technically, you're not paying separately for the game itself. It's included as part of your subscription. Just keep in mind, this is the only safe and legitimate way to access it without buying the game directly. Avoid any websites or apps that claim to offer it completely free without any subscription, as those are usually unsafe or against terms of service. And that's it. This is how you can download Red Dead Redemption on mobile for free. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.